Hi guys, so this is a little tutorial video showing the process that I used to create one of my little guinea pig illustrations. This one's actually part of a new project that I'm working on, a daily drawing project where I create one small illustration a day, and just something that I've decided to do to keep my mind occupied in these strange times that we're in at the moment, and just thought it would be fun to share a bit of my process and techniques. So here I'm just adding fur detail in. I've just blocked the basic colours in underneath that, and I'm using coloured pencils, Faber Castell polychromos and Caran D'ache pencils. And I really like these pencils because they layer really nicely, and you can add many layers without any kind of bloom occurring on the paper or any shininess. And I love that you can create such really fine and crisp lines with them too. And I think that it's perfect for creating illustrations and small drawings. So here I'm just adding some grey, defining the fur a little bit more, adding a few bits of shadow and just adding a little bit more depth. And I should probably mention the colours that I'm using in the coat. They are Caran D'ache, yellow ochre, raw umber and slate grey, and I'm obviously also using white, and for the darkest areas the black. And for the little pink feet and ears I'm just using a rose pink, and also a little bit of grey as well. Now I'm just working on the little buttercup flowers. and thought it would be fun to have some flowers kind of all around the guinea pig. Kind of give the impression that she's sort of dancing in the meadow. The guinea pigs are one of my favourite animals to draw. And I have a couple of guinea pigs and I just think they're the cutest little things. And they're such characters. So I tend to have a bit of a guinea pig theme when I'm working on prints and illustrations. You can't help but look at a guinea pig and smile. And this little illustration, it's going to be available in my Etsy shop, so if anyone's interested, you can go and check it out on there. And I may actually create a print using this in the future. So here I'm just blending the coloured pencil to smooth it out and create more of a realistic appearance on the fur. I'm just going back in now and just defining and adding back in some of the detail, darkening the fur, creating a nice fluffy look. And now just adding the final touches using a black fine liner pen. I don't always use pens with coloured pencil, but sometimes I think it does sort of suit the illustration, and it just makes the colours kind of pop more. Just defines everything really. It gives a nice sort of crisp look. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this and found it helpful. And hopefully I'll be doing a few more videos like this, showing each daily drawing that I do. So I'm just adding in the final finishing touches now and tidying things up a bit. And I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and seeing the process that I use to create one of my small illustrations. If you'd like to see more like this, then please feel free to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, as this is my first video. And thank you so much for watching.